I met an alien.
Grace Rock, he saves stars.
It's now or never.
You are bravest human I have ever met. Is joke. I only meet one human, and is you.